Whoa! Why do I see her?
Come on, pick her.
Me and Kenny after I get mine up there.
Leah, you picked this up!
Better be fucking crystal. Hey, I didn't take one yet.
Kenny.
I already got my present open.
No, a pack.
What did I pick out, Lily? Paw, do you like that? We walked by, I was like, oh my gosh, for Paw! Look at my daddy's Christmas pants. Daddy, you're a little man.
Look what I got! Who wants to play?
Oh my god, see
We saw that we're like,
will beat all
it's
of
not
you.
on her list, but... You will. I know, that's why none of us have a chance against her.
I got that movie too. I'm not allowed to watch that movie either.
Thank you, Anya.
Thank you, Anya. Looks silly.
Yay, a bigger thing for my camera.
Didn't even check it out. Yeah?
I can't see.